Super excited to have gotten this in the mail today. This is Elijah's Extreme, their hot sauce set, ghost pepper sauce, Reaper sauce, and one called Regret. And it doesn't even have a heat scale on it. I imagine that means it's stupid hot.
Sure about
Let's unbox this.
Don't do that, that hurt.
Have a sweet sticker. Oh, a little note here. That's cool. Yeah.
Flick of the wrist as I come.
Might be a signature, it might be a litho, but it's cool they throw that in there to let you know that they're
Process what works.
appreciative of your purchase. Here is ghost pepper. Oh, that's thick. Yeah. Over here is Regret. This has no rating on it. He's eating a raw animal.
Really?
Can't wait to try that. And then we have Reaper Extreme. Oh, I love Reaper. Look at that color. That is ridiculous.
There's this other drink called Tampico.
That is so Reaper. It looks like blood. That makes sense.